Hey everybody, it's Neil, and we've been doing so much sanding. We've been going through these sanding discs like crazy, so I'm just going to show you guys what this pack is. I got this pack right here. It's the 150 pack of these discs, sanding discs. Oh, 100 pack, sorry. It's a 100 pack of 5-inch 8-hole grit paper, and you just get a billion of these things. So you can see what these look like here. I'll show you guys here. So we have, the different ones here. Oh, it's funny. We have the P150 there, and P150 here. I guess it's going to come back to back instead of all that. But it's got the the stop stuff that'll connect to the Velcro on that side, and then the sanding part on that side. So these are good. They do come really good and round, so it'll fit into a if you have one that only fits the certain size. I mean, these come very uniform size, and they've been working great for us. We've been sanding tons of things. We've been doing. We have the 150, but we also have some other 100, I think, and 80 grit, other ones too. I think we even have a 200 grit pack that we bought too. So we've been going through these like crazy. So this one here is just a new box that we got. Figured I'd show it to you. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.